I'm just going to show you how to add Budget2SQL into Excel. If you want to first see that you have it, you can click on the home button on the ribbon, and on the very right you should have this open Budget2SQL. So if you do not have this, you just got to follow these steps. So you would go to Insert, you'd go to My Add-ins, and then you would click on the second tab called Admin Managed, and you would hopefully see Budget2SQL there. If you don't, you hit the refresh on the top, and you should get that My Add-ins refreshed or updated. You should be able to click on that and then click Add. And that's the process. If you don't see it in the list and you think you should have it, just reach out to your administrator and they will be able to help you with that.